Alright, so this one should be pretty straightforward for you R3 owners that don't want to do the tank screw mod or mount it anywhere else. If you want the symmetry or the aesthetics and you want to mount it in the center, you just need a 22mm socket. That comes right out. So we'll do that first. So no Loctite.
I didn't realize that that's all it was.
22mm socket, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright, go ahead and thread it on there by hand. That way you don't worry about crossing the threads. Go ahead and take the torque wrench. It's got an 8mm hex head socket on it, and it's already set.
There you go. Perfect. Good enough. Pretty snug. That's good.
Yeah, full disclosure, you don't need to take any of the plastics off of the tank cover. Only reason why it's stripped down like this is because my brother here is wrapping his bike. So that's coming soon. So he's got the ram short extension here.
That's legit.
So it brings it up a little bit. You should probably mock your tank up. Your tank cover. So that we can see what it looks like when it's done. And everything else is pretty straightforward.
That's pretty legit, dude. It's good. It's supposed to be like this. That's perfect.
Alright, and there it is mounted up. Just want to check your clearance. Lock to lock. Make sure it doesn't impede on your steering. And it's good both ways for landscape as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now for this, all you'll need is the ram ball stem mount. I'll link that. And then this 1-inch ball adapter from THREADLOCK. It will come with the case of your choice for whatever phone you're using. So yeah, if you guys are looking to mount your phone on your R3s and you don't want to do the Home Depot mod, and you're willing to spend the money for the $30 some odd ram ball mount for the stem, then check the link in the description. Comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, safe riding, guys.